Hello ladies and gentlemen, everything in between, welcome to Kismet's Corner. I'm Kismet. Today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the Exotac TitanLight. But currently, the way that it was packed or by the factory, or maybe the person I bought it from secondhand, you see the flame trickle? Like, it's okay, but I think there's... Oh, it's popping. Maybe some vapor lock or something. Oh, it just went out. Yeah. So, we're going to repack it and see if we get better performance out of it. So, let me get my tools. Yeah, these are all just balled up. Alright. So, of course, we're going to be putting a red wick in here. So these, they say these Exotac wicks are a little longer than Zippo wicks. Yeah, I'd say they're a little longer. Not by a lot, but... Alright, so maybe leave it about like that. Well, how long? Yeah, that'll work. Let's see. That'll work. Alright. And I'm also going to be replacing the wadding with camel hair. So, get some kind of packing tool here. So, go in, move the wick over a little bit. And start inserting some camel hair. Fold the wick over. Grab some more camel hair. Maybe do, because in their, how they had it packed, the wick kind of looped around a little bit. So I'm gonna put a loop in there. That's pretty good for the packing, I think. Let me just put the rest of the wick down in there. There we go. So I'm going to trim that a little bit. It's sticking up kind of far. There we go. About even with the chimney. So now, I'm going to refuel. It looks pretty good. Yep, just about right. A little excess. Or maybe a lot. But anyway, let's test this again. Close my lighter fluid, get it out of the way. Yeah, there's a much stronger flame here than there used to be, and it's more even. It's a little full, but so that's it for today. Thanks for watching.